possible to become a data analyst in just 6 months? Crazy, right? But that's exactly what I'm trying to do. 6 months to go from zero to data hero. Well, let's be honest, the stakes couldn't be higher. I've got an ambitious plan, an absurd amount of coffee, and just a sprinkle of panic. But hey, data doesn't wait, so neither will I. In this video, I'll break down the exact roadmap I'm using to tackle this wild challenge. So if you are thinking about jumping into data, you're in the right place. Now let's dive in before I rethink my life choices. Phase 1. Learn essential skills. The first 2 months are all about building the foundation. These are must-have skills every data analyst should know. Here's what I'll be focusing on. SQL. SQL is the bread and butter for querying and managing data. My goal? By the end of month 1, I want to be so good at SQL that I can select the perfect date night for me and my girlfriend. What do you do for fun? Select hobbies from Victor, where interest level is high. Python. Python is essential for data cleaning and analysis. I'll focus on libraries like Pandas and NumPy. And if you don't know what those are, don't worry. I didn't either until about 10 minutes ago. Tableau. Tableau will help me create dashboards that make people go,
"Wow, I didn't know spreadsheets could be so exciting."
And by people I mean hiring managers. To summarize, I'll be probably using online courses, tutorials, and probably Googling, why isn't my code working? 107 times. Phase 2. Apply skills through projects. Now months 3 and 4 are all about getting hands-on experience. Learning the skills is one thing, but applying them to real-world problems is where the magic really happens. Personal projects. I'll analyze data sets I care about. Maybe trends in coffee consumption. It's research, not personal interest, I promise. Collaborative projects. Joining online communities like Kaggle to work on group projects. If you think teamwork is scary, try debugging someone else's code. Building a portfolio. My portfolio will be a place to showcase everything I've learned. Or as I like to call it, the skills buffet. Come sample my expertise. Phase 3. Job search and landing a role. Now the final phase, months 5 and 6, is all about turning skills into opportunities. Step 1. Get my LinkedIn profile looking sharp. If you see me posting inspirational quotes about data, just know I'm trying to impress the recruiters. Networking is basically online dating for your career. Hi, I saw we both like Python and Tableau. Wanna chat about data pipelines? For mock interviews, I'll practice answering tough questions like, what's your biggest weakness? My honest answer, data cleaning. This plan isn't about rushing or cramming. It's about building the right skills, showcasing them, and strategically finding the road. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think of this roadmap? Are there skills or steps you think I should add? Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation going. If you're excited about this journey as I am, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. I'll be sharing my progress, challenges, and everything I learn along the way. I'm Victor, aka Liquid Data, and I'll see you in the next video.